Do you also face difficulty while filing a health insurance claim? Or are you filing a claim for the very first time and don't know where to start? Many people are confused about how to file a claim, which claim form need to be filed, and what details are mandatory, what can be left blank, and what documents need to be submitted. And because of a lack of proper information, people either delay filing their claim, avoid filing it completely, or even if they submit it, the claim gets rejected due to incomplete or improper documentation from the proposer side. And sometimes the confusion is about whether to choose a cashless or reimbursement claim, whether to file it through the online portal or mobile app, and what exact steps need to be followed. And if the process is not clear, it can lead to unnecessary delay and your payment may get stuck. But don't worry, we are here to guide you. And before I explain the entire process, make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important detail. So hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub. At PolicyHub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you want to watch this video in Hindi, do check our Hindi channel as well. And in today's video, we will understand how to file a claim in HDFC ERGO on both a cashless basis and a reimbursement basis. And I will also explain where you can file the claim form, whether directly through the company's official portal or through HDFC ERGO here app. So first we will understand the simple cashless claim process, and then we will move to reimbursement claim in detail. And I will guide you step by step on how to file a claim both online and offline, how to correctly fill the claim form, which sections are mandatory, and what documents you must attach to avoid rejection. So watch till the end and make sure your claim is filed correctly and smoothly without any delay. So let's start with the cashless claim process. So cashless claim is used when you take treatment in a network hospital of HDFC ERGO. And before admission, you should always check whether the hospital is part of the insurance network list or not. And at the time of admission, you need to show your health card or policy detail at the hospital's insurance desk, and you will be required to fill out a pre-authorization form, and the hospital will send this request directly to the insurance company. And once the claim is approved, the hospital bills are settled directly between the hospital and the insurer, and you only need to pay for non-medical items in case your policy not cover the consumable items or any kind of deduction that are not approved. If you are covered under the Optima Secure plan, then even consumable expenses are covered and you do not have to pay for them from your own pocket. And now let's understand where a reimbursement claim is required. So reimbursement claim is filed when your cashless claim is not settled or when you take treatment in a non-network hospital. It is also used when certain expenses are not covered under cashless and need to be claimed separately. You can file a reimbursement claim online either through the official HDFC ERGO website portal or its Here mobile app. And you simply need to log in, select the type of claim, enter the claim amount, upload the required documents and submit it. One important point to remember is that each uploaded document should be less than 5 MB in size. And reimbursement claims are mainly of 5 types. So the first type is main hospitalization reimbursement. This is filed when the cashless claim is not approved or when treatment is taken in a non-network hospital. And for this claim, you need to submit the discharge summary, indoor case paper, detailed hospital bill with breakups, medical reports, doctor's consultation paper, medicine bills with proper breakup, ID proof, and cancel check, and a properly filled as signed claim form part A. And the second type of reimbursement claim is pre and post hospitalization expenses. So these are expenses incurred before admission and after discharge, such as diagnostic tests before hospitalization, follow-up consultation and medicine after discharge. So these are generally covered for a specific number of days as per your policy terms and must be filed on a reimbursement basis. And the documents required are mostly similar, including doctor's consultation paper, bills, reports, ID proof and a cancel check. So always ensure that the expenses date falls within the allowed pre and post hospitalization period mentioned in your policy. And the third type is health checkup reimbursement. So if your policy provides a preventive health checkup benefit, you can claim it on a reimbursement basis also, and you can take it on cashless basis also. And if you have taken it on reimbursement basis, then in this case, there should not be a doctor consultation related to treatment. You mainly need the health checkup bill and the test report along with ID proof and a cancel check and bills. So this can also be submitted online through the portal or through the app. And then fourth type is reserve benefit. that can be claimed on a reimbursement basis. But this is available only to policyholders who have health wallet plan. And for the reserve benefit, you generally need a doctor consultation paper, bills, reports, ID proof, and a cancel check. And this benefit is not available in all plans, so it is important to check your policy terms carefully. And last, the fifth one is other claim type, so in which you can file your OPD expenses or hospital cash benefit. Now that you understand the different type of claims, the next important question is how do you actually fill out the claim form. So let's go through it step by step and understand the complete process in a simple way. I have already filled out the claim form manually for your understanding, so you can take a screenshot or save the video for future reference. So in claim form, first step is you have to fill the section A, which is details of primary insured member. In this section, you need to enter the policy number, proposer's name, proposer's address, city, state, and contact details, and make sure all the information is filled in correctly as per your policy record. Step 2, you have to file the section B, details of insured history. So this section is not mandatory, and if you already have another health insurance policy from a different company, you can mention those details here, and if not applicable, you may leave it blank. Next step is section C. Here you need to fill in the details of the insured person who was hospitalized. That means the patient information. And you must mention the patient name, their relationship with the proposer, DOB, address, occupation, and contact details. Step 4, section D, details of hospitalization. So in this section, you need to provide complete hospitalization detail. This includes the hospital name and the room category you opted for. And if you are filing a pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization, or health checkup claim, you can select the daycare option where applicable. And if it is a main hospitalization claim, you must clearly confirm the room category you have selected. And you also need to mention the date of admission and date of discharge. For health checkup claims, you can mention the bill date. And for pre and post hospitalization or main hospitalization claim, you must provide the exact date and time of admission and discharge. Step 5, in which you have to file the section E, which is claim details. So in this section, you need to mention the complete breakup of the claim amount. All expenses related to the claim must be entered properly. And the claim form you are watching on the screen, it is filed according to the health checkup claim. And the amount was entered accordingly, just to show you a demo example. And the another step is details of bill enclosed. So in this section, you must mention the bill or invoice serial number. You should also specify who issued the bill and what the claim is related to and the corresponding amount. And the last step you have to do is to fill the bank details of primary insured member. So here you need to provide the correct bank account details of the primary insured member. Make sure all banking information is accurate to avoid any delay in claim settlement. And finally, the claim form must be signed at the end, and the signature should be of the proposer. Make sure the form is properly filled, checked, and signed before submission to avoid rejection or delay in processing. And make sure you fill in all details clearly, and there should be no overwriting or cutting on the claim form. Banking details must be correct and it should be properly signed by the proposer. And if you are filing through the portal or app, you need to mention the total claim amount and upload all documents clearly before submitting. To file any reimbursement claim online, log into the official HDFC ERGO website or open the HDFC ERGO Here app, go to the claim section, select the appropriate claim type. If you want to file the claim for expenses for pre and post hospitalization, then file, enter the claim amount, upload all required documents ensuring each file is under 5 MB, and then submit the claim. And after submission, you will receive a claim reference number which you should keep safely or tracking. And always keep your original bills and documents safe. Upload clear, scanned copies, double check the claim amount, and ensure your bank details are correct to avoid unnecessary delays. And also make sure you submit your claim within the timeline mentioned in your policy. And this is the complete step-by-step HDFC ERGO online claim process for 2026, and covering both cashless and reimbursement claim in detail so that you can file your claim confidently and without any confusion. And make sure you follow all these steps properly and submit complete and accurate documents. If everything is correctly filed and all required documents are submitted without any kind of error, your claim is generally processed within a few working days, and in reimbursement cases, the approved amount is credited to your bank account accordingly. And if you want to avoid all this confusion and stress, don't worry, we have got you covered. At PolicyHub, we support our customer from the policy purchase stage all the way until the final claim settlement. And we not only guide you on documentation but also assist you during claim submission. And in genuine cases, we actively help you coordinate and follow up so that your claim gets approved smoothly. And if you are looking for a reliable insurance advisor or planning to buy a policy with a proper claim support, you can always book your free consultation with us, and link is given in the description. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye.